What's up, friends? Today we're going to be getting our fitment a bit better. Last time when we put the wheels on, we had a bit of tuck, and I don't want that, so I went ahead and bought some stuff. Alright, first of all, we got these extended wheel studs. We've got a cool little sticker, and here they are. So I can put purchase number 2 on, which are spacers, and to suit that we've got purchase number 3. Bang. Open end wheel nut. And to install that, I got this thingy-majig where I literally just go like this and then gun it in. As you can see here, the car is in air jail because we have to get the calipers and rotors off, and I should be able to hammer the wheel studs off. Also, epic little life hack. You know these screws? If they're being a little bitch, get one of these things, hammer it in, and then it'll just come out so easily. So it seems that this job is a lot bigger than I thought. I will not be able to hammer these out. I think I might have to pull out the bearings. And I don't have a press. What's up? Welcome back. We got all the calipers and rotors out. It took a while because I was fighting some demons. And by demons, I mean a stripper bolt. So we got this little guy. Didn't want to come out. And he's a circle now. And then over here, this is what the brake pad looks like. I don't think that's how it's supposed to wear out. Holy crap, the sun disappeared very fast. While we've got everything out, I might as well do the dust shield delete on the front and rears. So the rears look to be held in by 10mm bolts. Oh fuck. How we're gonna get this off is just gonna snip him. Snippy snippy. Alright, so the pliers weren't cutting it. Oh my god, double entendre. So we've upgraded to garden shears. I took the dust covers out, maybe in this small little thingy. I can put the extended ones through here. So I'm gonna tap one out and hope for the best. And here we have the moment of truth time. So we don't need to pull these off the rear. Well, I'm gonna just tap every single stud off and go to bed. There you guys, Comedy Shorts Gamer here. Alright, we're gonna try get this thing off. I think step 1 is to break that off, but I don't know how I'm gonna do that. Holy shit, this is a bit rusted. So that's obviously not gonna work. So if we jam something in here, maybe like that. Alright, let's get some leverage. This is the handle of my jack stand. This is the handle of my jack. Oh my god. Damn, that is not coming off. Oh my god. That is fucking bent. That scared me a little. Well, the hardest part is now done. Now all I gotta do is unbolt this, whatever down here is, and this, hopefully it pops out easy. If not, I'm gonna have to, you feel me? Alright, well, 2 of them came out pretty easily. Now it's just a lower control arm. I did maybe have very bad aim, so I think I may have fucked up that thread. Oh fuck. There we go. Hello people. So here we have the knuckles. I think these are what these are called. So I thought if I took them out, I'd be able to access the studs. I'm dumb and stupid. So apparently I have to push the wheel bearing out, and then I can access the studs. And I don't have a press machine or anything like that. So I'm gonna have to get someone to do this for me. And then I went to a location and I found this, almost the same, and it threads in easily. But yeah, spoilers for the future. Till I can get someone to press those in and out for me, I will not be doing anything. See you then. I decided that I'm gonna do the front wheel bearings while I'm there. So I'm just gonna install the rears, then we just wait for the wheel bearings to arrive. So I've just got WD-40 and some brass brushes. Alright, let's start. First of all, I just want to say this is a comical amount of plastic, bro. That's actually unreal. Got the good old stud installer here. I should just be able to gun it in. How the fuck do I keep this still? I'm just gonna put the rotors and pads back in. What's up? I've got everything pressed out and I've gone ahead and sanded and masked them so I can do a quick respray on them. So I'm gonna just do that in my backyard real quick. Because I had to get the wheel bearings pressed out just to access the studs, I decided that we're gonna be replacing both the wheel bearings and also both the lower ball joints. Whoa, yeah, woo. It's finished. Woo. I'm gonna get the wheel studs in and then everything should be ready to go back together. Epic fact, I have to use washers or else the thing hits the other thing that sticks out from the thing. And here we are with the wheel studs installed. This was only supposed to be wheel studs, but I've ended up doing the entire steering knuckle. Very cool. See you when everything's back together. Well, here we are. We've got the knuckles painted, a new lower ball joints, new wheel bearings, and wheel studs. So I think we just put everything back together and we should be fine. We're finally up to the final steps. You see this spacer? Bam. And then let's go to the back. Bam. Alright, I've gone ahead and put the new lug nuts on. And it's time for the moment of truth. And the moment of truth being, do I need to get a wheel alignment? And here we are. That is looking fucking pretty tight, I think. His rear on a bit tucked, but if I remember correctly, I'm either on -1.5 or -2 all around. And then here's the right side. And then the other side. Looking very tight as well. But yeah, I'll try to get some better clips with better lighting. Here in mediocre lighting, I ended up raising the car like 13mm because I got the other wheels and I got some plans for them. Yeah, low-key this video is just like a steering knuckle refresh. But yeah, cause I raised the car, the camber like went a bit more towards neutral and then it kind of just made itself flush. So yeah. Bye.